Hi, I wanted to show you a quick way to find information about homeschooling. If you are new to Study.com, there are a few different ways. You can type in homeschool right here into the search menu, and it's going to bring you the Homeschooling Hub. Let me go ahead and show you. It's the first thing that pops up. It will say Homeschool Home. If you click on there, this is the Homeschooling Hub. It's also study.com/homeschool. So that's another way to get here. But I wanted to point out to you that if you haven't been in the Homeschooling Hub yet and you're looking for information on how to use study.com for homeschooling, I really suggest that you take some time looking through the information that they provide us here in the Homeschooling Hub. If you scroll to the bottom, you can also see that they are offering suggestions for classes based on grade level. Remember, Study.com gives you 4,100 classes to choose from, but it can be overwhelming searching through 4,100 classes. So I want to suggest that you start off by looking here in the Homeschooling Hub for these suggestions, because a lot of us families are looking for 8th grade math for our 8th grade student, or we're looking for earth science, or we're looking for US history. So this is going to be a quick, easy way to find those classes. And then you can also switch over here and search by subject. Again, this does not limit you to only these classes, but these are a great way to find out what classes are available to you in core classes and core electives that you might choose. Another really cool thing that you can do is click on credit, and it's going to explain to you all the ways that you might want to use Study.com for preparing for CLEP exams, for preparing for DSST exams, for preparing for AP classes and AP exams. So there is a ton of information here. And of course, besides those three options, there is the option to earn ACE college credit from Study.com. And so they have a college accelerator hub that will tell you everything you want to know about earning college credit and earning it through ACE and Study.com. But this is a great place to look if you're interested in any of those exams. I also wanted to point out to you that if you click on states, you'll be able to see Study has done a phenomenal job of putting together research for every single family in each different state. So I'm in Texas, so I'm going to click on Texas. I'm going to scroll down. And right here, learn more about Texas. Now, I'm not saying that you might find every answer that you have about homeschooling in Texas on this website, but Study has put together the research and different links for you to get you started, because I know that that's scary when we are in a state where we don't know other homeschoolers and we maybe heard about this from a friend or somebody else. And so I really suggest that you start off in this Homeschooling Hub by clicking on your state and looking to see what Study.com offers you for your state. So again, you can see that there's different links in here. You can also see that they're going to talk about, requirements. I'm going to go back up to the fact page. Hold on just a second. Because here, well, let me go back to the main page so I can show you. If you are, we're going to do it one more time just so that I make sure everybody's on the same page. We're going back to the Homeschooling Hub. And I'm going to click on facts this time, not on states. And you can see that Study, once again, has put this information together for you. If you are brand new to homeschooling, if you have no idea to where to start, or you don't have a friend to ask these questions, this is, again, a great place to start. And so I love this about the Homeschooling Hub, and a lot of people don't realize that it's here. Same thing with curriculum. You can see that they are helping you to see that you can search for classes based on grade level, based on subject level, based on homeschool electives, AP for homeschool. So it's just a ton of great information and filters that you can start here in the Homeschooling Hub. Also, this drop-down menu will bring you to other links. So if I click on all courses, I'm back on searching for classes just like I would on the Study.com website. Okay, and from there, I can now search for any class that I want based on education level, based on subject level, and I will add in that the one thing that you're going to want to do to start out with searching if you're new to study is by clicking this homeschool option under goals, because it is going to eliminate a lot of those classes that you are free to start, but this kind of narrows it down to 126 classes. And again, in the beginning, 4,100 classes is overwhelming to sift through. So I always suggest to start off here. I hope that helps. Have a great day, guys.